Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my dashboard planner. We're going to be talking about how I set this one up and how I use this one. This one is very new to my system. I just started using a dashboard planner consistently this year. I just created this planner in order to help me with my work. Now, I use it for my work, but I am going to be talking about basically in general how you can possibly use it. So first, I'll show you what it looks like on a blank week. This is what it looks like for a blank week. We have top priorities, errands to do, calls and emails, notes, and then you have your week scheduled over here, which goes from Monday to Sunday, and then you have a notes section. As you can see, we don't have a lot of color. There aren't a lot of words. It's very minimal in design, and that is on purpose. We have lines here where you have some check boxes where you can check different things off as they are coming up. So we do have the different titles here, but for mine, I usually will cover them and create my own titles because I am using this for work. And these titles are mainly for personal, in my opinion. And so I wanted to cover them to keep track of the different things that I needed for work. The first thing that I do at the beginning of the month is I set up my monthly spread. I have a monthly overview page, and on my monthly overview page, I am keeping track of all of my social media stats, what book I am reading, and the big things that I want to complete for the month that have to do with work. So I have all of those listed here, and then when it gets to my calendar, I am listing out all of the videos that I want to post, and anything that I have highlighted is something that I need to do. It may be an event that I have to attend or something that needs to happen, and I wanted to remind myself. So I wrote it on that day and I highlighted it to let myself know that it does not have to do with social media. This is something else that I need to pay attention to. So as I am setting up this week, I wanted to talk to you about why the dashboard planner could be the perfect planner for you. The very first reason why I absolutely love the dashboard planner is that it is super functional. If you are not a super decorative planner and you just really like to get down to the nitty-gritty and just write down all of the different things that you have to do, then the dashboard layout is probably going to be perfect for you. This one does not require a lot of stickers because they have a lot of lines on the spread. It is mainly a functional type of planner where you can just list out a bunch of different things that you need to do, really focus in on your priorities. So a bunch of stickers are not required. As you can see, I am laying down some stickers, but it's mainly to cover my headers, and then everything else is around the outskirts. I'm using some flowers from a Happy Planner sticker book, and I am just outlining different ones just to bring a little bit of life to the spread, but not really a lot of layering going on here, and that's because this planner really does not need it. So if you are a super functional person, then these stickers, the ones that I'm even adding, are just for fun. You really don't have to do this at all, and you can really just stick to keeping it very simple, very minimal in this spread. The second reason why I absolutely love the dashboard planner layout is that I believe it's perfect for lists and for brain dumps. The left side of this layout is a perfect planner if you want to write out a bunch of lists, but you don't have a specific day that those lists need to be accomplished. That's one thing that I believe this planner layout is just above all of the other ones, is that your lists, your brain dumps do not have to be tied to a specific day when you are looking at this planner layout. When it comes to the vertical style, the horizontal, even the hourly planner, it's very specific to the day itself. But with the dashboard layout, you can really just write out all of the things that you have to do, and you don't have to overwhelm yourself by putting it on a specific day. So for this week, since I use this planner for work, I am listing out all of the different things that I need to complete for work. I have my to-do section, which is considered anything else that is not social media related. So I will usually add in the emails that I need to send out, or things that I need to do for clients, or deadlines that I might have for specific projects. And so I love having a section here where I can just list those things out, because usually they are not required to be done on a specific day. I just want them to be done by the end of the week. And then the other boxes that I have listed here, I will just use these for social media. What I need to film for my long form content, which is on YouTube, what I need to film for shorts, reels, or TikToks, and the ideas that I have coming up for the very next week. And so this is a great space for me to brain dump, write out all of my lists, write out everything that I am thinking, and it's one spot that is dedicated to my entire social media plan for the week. So I love having this within my planner on this one page so that I can flip to it every single day of the week and check off as I go. The third reason why I love the dashboard planner layout is that I believe that this layout can fit almost any area of your life. I am currently using it for work because I just love using it for work. However, I believe that you could use it for your personal life. I've seen people keep a list of their habits on this side, a list of their gratitude, what they want to journal, things they need to clean for their house, things that they need to do for their family, their menu. There are so many options of how you can use the left side of this page in order to stay on top of the different things that you need to do for your home, for your family, for your personal life. It could be for your workouts. It is endless, and I believe that this side of the page to the left side is really able to help you stay on top of almost any list that you could possibly think of. The fourth reason why I love this layout is the notes section. I believe that you can write pretty much anything in this section. Now, since this is my work planner, I like to use this section to write some type of quote or inspirational note to myself. Since I'm an entrepreneur, I am always looking for inspiration, motivation, ways to be disciplined and to stay focused with the work that I am trying to do. Since I'm working from home, it is so easy for me to get distracted. And so a lot of times I will write a quote or a note to myself in this section right in the midst of all of my to-dos and all of the things that I need to film and calls I need to make, because this little note, I will read it so many times throughout the week and it will inspire me to keep focused and keep going. So if you are using this one for your personal planner though, you may want to use your notes section in order to keep track of your memories, or if you're using it as a faith planner, you could use it to keep track of your prayers. It is endless what you decide to do here, but I love this section, this area, to write something to myself in order to keep me inspired throughout the week. Now, when it comes to the right side of the page, I love the fact that this page is lined, and I love the fact that it only has about 3 or 4 lines. I like to focus in on my top priorities on this side of the page. When I was using the vertical style planner as my work planner, I would write out so many tasks, so many things that I wanted to do, and usually I would end up overwhelming myself just because it was a big blank space where I could write any and everything that I could possibly think of. But since this space is so small, it requires me to really drill down and think about what is truly important for that day. So I am only writing in my top 3 priorities, maybe 4 priorities within this space, and it's under each and every day of the week. So I am focusing in on what's important and what I absolutely need to get done. And then I have the left side of the page where if I do have time, I am able to accomplish and do some additional things. But I love the fact that I am not trying to overwhelm myself, and that I am focusing in on these top 3 things that I want to get done every single day of the week. I feel like this one is easily adjustable to where you can tweak it and basically plan anything in here. So you can definitely experiment with different aspects of your life that you could try and plan in this planner. I know I tried to use this layout as my personal planner. I tried very briefly for my faith planner, but ultimately I did decide that it was best suited for my work planner, mainly because of the list that I needed to create for social media, and I wanted wanted to section each one of them off. So this layout was perfect for that. So if you wanted to try out the dashboard layout as I am currently using it, I will leave it linked in my description box. I do have the download for this layout and also the physical planner if you wanted to pick this one up. However, there are a bunch of other planner companies that do this exact same layout. Happy Planner was the first planner that I ever used that had the dashboard layout, and I've absolutely loved it since then and have always wanted to create one. So I'm really excited to have it in my planner this year. So if you are using or have used the dashboard layout, please let me know about it in the comments. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.